Hi guys, we are back here with our new video, and in this video, we'll be talking about that how can we translate the in MS Excel from English to any other languages. Sometimes we need to translate from English to maybe in Hindi, in Urdu, in Bengali, in French, in German. So any language you can translate from any language to other language easily with a single click of formula. But there is one barrier in it that you need to do that in the MS Excel online. You cannot do this one within the desktop version. So first of all, how you can do it, that you need to go on over here in this Excel sheet, and you need to find in the Google the online Excel sheet. So if you find it in the Chrome, it will give you the extension over there, which you can add over here in your browser, in your Chrome browser. So I've already added over here. This is the one which I have added, and I have open it here, the sheet. Now the sheet is ready to be worked on, and I have put up some points which we will translate from English to another languages. So let's try it and start it with the Hindi. So how we'll do this, that we have certain matters over there, and we'll be going to translate it. What is the formula for that? So we'll start it with Google Translate. As I have pressed the button, it is already showing over there. So it is asking me that what matter you want to translate. So I select this one. I want to translate this one. Then I press comma. So it asks me that what is the source language. So in source language, I select EN, which mean English. We are translating from English to. For that, at another time you have to press comma, and then you are going to translate into Hindi. For Hindi, the code is HI. So you press HI and then you close the bracket. And as soon as you do it, see it's translate. It has translated into the Hindi language, and it is the result is showing to you. So if you want to convert it, just click over here, and all the data is being converted into the Hindi language. You can see over there. Similarly, this was the Hindi one. We'll make it little bigger so it will be easier to find it out. Then the same we can convert into Urdu also. So how we can convert that one into Urdu? The same formula will be there. I'm just copying the same formula into this cell. Um, I'm going to paste it. It's asking me, as actually the problem is that it is asking the source one. So I have corrected that one, and it has converted into Urdu also. As you can see that it is showing मैं जाना चाहता हूँ. And similarly, if you press this one, you can see all the data has been transferred into Urdu language. We can convert that one into French also. I'm going to convert that one into French. Again, the same formula. I'm just copying over here. Sorry, I have to paste it over there. So I'm pasting here, and in the language, instead of UR, which was the code for the Urdu, I'm going to put FR. Now, the problem is that the French, for different languages, we do not know what are the code. For example, for Hindi, it is HI. For Urdu, it is UR. Even for Arabic, let's do it for Arabic first. So Arabic, it is AR. We need to see what is the source data it is taking. So it is taking actually the Hindi. That's why it was not being able to convert that one. So I'm going to put up the formula again. Google Translate. The source data is this one, which is in English, and we can want to convert into Arabic. There's an error over here. We'll need to find it out. What is the error? Okay, so we have not put up the noted commas there. That's why it is given an error. Yeah, so you see that it's been converted into Arabic also. So the one which I was talking about earlier, that sometimes you do not need the code. For example, for Chinese, I do not need I know the code. So in Google, you can find language code of the for I have searched before the Bangla, so you can find the Chinese also. So any language, once you find it, it will give you the code. For example, the traditional one, you could put ZHDW, or if I try to find for the French one, for the French, the code is FI. So that is the code. So any code which you want to use, you can use over here, and you can easily get your results into that language. Mind it that we are translating from English to Arabic, but it doesn't mean that we cannot translate from Arabic to English. Same, we can do it. Let's say I just translate from Google Translate, and I'm trying to do from here. This is what is the source language, that is in Arabic, and I want to convert that one maybe into Urdu. So see, it has converted that one into Urdu. So from any language to the other one, you can convert easily, but mind it that this can be done only in online Excel. This cannot be done in the desktop version. I hope you have liked that video. Please like my video, and also subscribe my channel for the more upcoming videos. Thanks a lot. I'm signing it out. It was your host Yasir Iqbal. Thank you.